Hello everyone, welcome back to BPNTV tutorials, and I hope you guys are doing really well. So today we came up with an interesting topic that is on return on investment. What is return on investment, how to calculate it, how that particular point is important in any of the company. So it's not only related to call center BPO, it might be any of the company like IT, infrastructure, industry, many where in many of the organization the ROI is very important. So we will learn this today, and before moving to the video I would request everyone to share, subscribe the channel, click on bell icon so that you will get notification on all the upcoming video. Also check out our playlist. There are approximately 200 plus videos that will help you cracking the interview related to trainers, team leaders, operation manager, then quality analyst, Six Sigma certification, MS Excel reports, dashboards, many more videos are there. Do check and please don't miss to subscribe the channel. So let's start today's concept, that is on return on investment. So you might have seen like this term used by your manager, like ROI is getting impacted, we have to focus on ROI. So we'll learn this, what is this ROI, what is this return on investment. Okay, so let's start with the meaning of the ROI. ROI stands for return on investment. I'll give you a general example. Suppose I'm running a shop, I invested 10,000. Okay, and post investing 10,000, after 1 month I earned 15,000 as an overall amount. Now I invested 10,000, I earned 15,000, so I got a profit of 5,000. Now what is my return on investment? The return on investment will be calculated total amount what we have invested divided by the total profit what we have earned. So this will be our return on investment. Okay, in this way we'll calculate. So let's see step by step. The first point here says ROI is in a call center is calculated by dividing the revenue generated by the call center by the cost of operating all the I give you already this example. Total revenue I earned 15,000 divided by total investment. So in this way I'll get the return on investment, how much I got for that particular month. And so in call centers we might get revenue in different way, like we might get revenue with the help of customer satisfaction, we might get revenue with the help of the sales. Suppose if it's a banking process or credit card process, we might do sales over the call. We try to convince the customers. On the basis of that our scores will get calculated and we'll get a return on investment by the client. And there are many other cost includes when we talk about the investment. Suppose if I want to start a call center or any of the business, IT or whatever it is, many costs will get involved apart from the employee salaries which I need to pay. If I'm starting a business, there might be a labor charge, software purchasing, I need to do that, technology charges, infrastructure charges, I need to also check the location. So many charges are included there, so that will comes all under the investment what we are doing. So post doing the investment, whatever earning we are getting, we will do some calculation and we'll find the return on investment here. With the best practice of return on investment, they can evaluate the effectiveness of their analysis too and take into the consideration key factor for the next investment decision. That's fair enough, guys. Whatever you have earned or whatever you have seen in the first month, definitely you will try to improve in the upcoming one with the help of return on investment calculation. And if the return on investment is high, which means you have gained obviously, and if the return on investment is low, then there is some improvement that need to be focused on. The calculation method categorized into the four, like there are many categories actually we can say in return on investment, but basically we can see what kind of return on investment we might get as an income. That might be your net income, capital gain, total return or annual return. You can go as per the analysis what you want to do if you are running any of the company. So this is all about the return on investment. Let's see a formula. So the formula says profit divided by the investment into 100. So this will be calculated under percentage. Let's see one example. I already told you, right? 10,000 I invested, I got 15,000 as in total sales, or I can say total revenue I generated. Now if I want to calculate ROI, what will be the profit? 15,000 minus 10,000, which is 5,000 is my profit divided by total investment, which is 10,000. If I do the divide and into 100, I'll get 50% as an answer. So 50% was my revenue for this particular sale. In this way you can calculate ROI. Let's move some component which basically impact, or I can say which will help in getting a return on investment, guys. I can't say here, I don't want to say here as an impact. I'll say like the factor which will help us in improving the ROE of any of the company. The first one is cost of operation. So basically see here, guys, so we have to focus primarily on the cost of the operation. Sometimes we might invest more on the infrastructure, we might get more seats with compare to the employees what we have hired. So that's completely a loss for you guys, because suppose you started a project with 100 HC and you have the capacity of 200 and you don't have a project, so it's a waste of seats there. So the cost of operations matters a lot, and that cost of operations not includes the seat in the sense, I'm not talking about the chair here. Seat, which means that include a complete system, monitor, there will be plugs, charging, everything, it will get included. Okay, so cost of operations matters a lot in terms of return on investment. Second one is customer satisfaction. The more the customer are satisfied, more you will get the survey in terms of CSATs or NPS, net promoter scores. You don't know about the CSAT or net promoter scores, I will update the link in the description. You can check and watch out that video, you will get to know how we can focus on that. Third one is SLA, service level metrics. I'll not go only with the service level metrics here. If you belongs to calling process or any of the process, and if you're experienced, you know that there are many other factors that will help on getting the good revenue. That is like our EHT, our the total call, like service level agreement, the abandoned rate, the transfers, the drop calls. Okay, many things are there that will impact the ROI. So you have seen like your team leader will focus on all these aspects when it comes to improve the scores. So these all are the components for the return on investment. Technology and automation, for sure, if we are implementing high level technology, that definitely help us in getting our tasks done very easily, and sometimes it may include charges as well. For an example, if you're using any of the third-party software, that you might have to pay a yearly charges there. Sometimes we have to take those in order to get our things sorted. But if we pay that, for sure we will try to get more revenue from the software. So in this way, the technology and automation also will help us in term, it will also a component for the return on investment. The next one here is employee productivity. Yes, the performance and the productivity of the call center agent directly influence the return on investment, such as training, agent utilization, average handling time. So it's total about the employee productivity, employee KPI, employee stacks we are discussing of, that will also impact the return on investment. So I hope you guys got the clear idea, and you can give this answer very easily whenever a interviewer is asking about the return on investment and how you can explain it about it. So this is all about the ROI. If you still have any doubt, please let me know. Definitely I will help you out, guys, and share your feedbacks in a comment section. If you need any of the video on any of the topic, let me know, guys. Definitely we will try and work on it, and we'll give you the best. So if you still have any doubt, please let me know. Don't miss to share, subscribe the channel, check out our Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook page. You will get many more information on all the upcoming vacancies. Thanks a lot, have a great day.